People often ask me, what does it cost to have synthetic turf installed? Generally, the jobs range from $2,000 up to $100,000 for commercial jobs. Residential jobs is between $5,000 to $12,000. Some of the things that I look at when I'm doing up quotes is the groundwork, what's needed there and what's not needed. For instance, do we need to install drainage because water runs off synthetic turf differently than what it runs off normal grass? If the access is good, then that keeps the cost down. Once access becomes difficult and we need to use bucket jobs and bring buckets in to get everything out, then the cost will go up. So the best time to get a price for synthetic turf for a new build is when the house is under construction, being able to send photos to me with dimensions. I can give you a ballpark figure. Then when the house is nearing completion, get me out to do a site measure and get it all organised before fences go in that will cut off the access and therefore increase the price.